everyone, welcome to Easy Learn. This is Usha. Let's start today's class with a quote. Children must be taught how to think, not what to think, by Margaret Mead. Today I am going to teach you exercise 2.5. To solve and understand problems of exercise 2.5, we should be perfect with these algebraic identities. So let's solve the first problem. Here is the first problem. Use suitable identities to find the following products. In that first bit is x plus 4 into x plus 10. We have to find the product of these two binomials. So the given problem is in the form of x plus a into x plus b. So what is the identity we have for x plus a into x plus b? X square plus a plus b into x plus ab. This identity we have. What is there in the place of a? In the place of x, x is only there. In the place of so what is there in the place of a? 4. What is there in the place of b? 10. So let us substitute. So x plus 4 into x plus 10 equal to, in the place of x, x is only there. So x square plus, what is x a value? 4 plus 10 into x plus 4 into 10. Clear? So x square, 4 plus 10 value is 14. 14x plus 4 into 10 is 40. Is the product of x plus 4 into x plus 10. Is this clear? Right. Let us see the second bit. X plus 8 into x minus 10 equal to what? The given problem is in the form of x plus a into x plus b. Here x square plus a plus b into x plus ab is the identity. The given problem is in this form. So we have to write in this form. To write in this form, we should know a and b values. A is equal to 8 and b is equal to, what is there before 10? Minus. So minus also we have to consider. B value is minus 10. Here x square plus 8 plus minus 10 into x plus 8 into minus 10. Clear? X square plus 8 minus 10 is minus 2x minus 80 is the product of x plus 10, 8 into x minus 8, 10. Is this clear? Right. Let's see third bit. The given question is 3x plus 4 into 3x minus 4. It is in the form of x plus a into x plus b equal to x square plus a plus b into x plus ab. Is the identity which we have, right? So what is there in the place of x? X is equal to 3x. In the place of x we have 3x. In the place of a we have 4. A equal to 4. And in the place of b, plus b is there. Minus 5 is there. That means b equal to minus 5. Clear? Now substitute these all values in the given identity. So 3x plus 4 into 3x minus 5 equal to 3x whole square. Wherever x is there, 3x whole square plus 4 minus 5 into 3x plus 4 into minus 5. Clear? Now 3x whole square is 3 square into x square. 3 square is 9, x square. 4 minus 5 minus 1. Minus 1 into 3x minus 3x. Here plus into minus, minus 4 into 5, 20. Clear? This is the product of 3x plus 4 into 3x minus 5. Is this clear? Right. Let's see the fourth bit. Y square plus 3 by 2 into y square minus 3 by 2. It is in the form of x plus y into x minus y. So this we can write it as x square minus y square. Here, what is there in the place of x? The question is in the form of x plus y into x minus y. What is there in the place of x? X is equal to y square. What is there in the place of y? 3 by 2. Right? 3 by 2. Clear? Now, we have to write in this form. So, what is x square? X is y square. Y square whole square, right? Minus 3 by 2 whole square. So, y square whole square means we can write it as y to the power of 4. 2 into 2 will become 4 minus 3 square value is 9 by 2 square value is 4 is the product of y square plus 3 by 2 into y square minus 3 by 2. Therefore, y square plus 3 by 2 into y square minus 3 by 2 equal to y to the power of 4 minus 9 by 4. Right? Let's see the fifth bit. 3 minus 2x into 3 plus 2x. It is in which form? The same. X minus y into x plus y. Only sign is different, right? Different in both the binomials, right? So, this we can write it as x square minus y square. That means what is there in the place of x? In the place of x we have 3 and in the place of y we have 2x. Clear? Now, the given question is in this form. So, we have to write in this form to find the product. So, 3 minus 2x into 3 plus 2x equal to 3 square minus 2x whole square. Clear? So, 3 square value is 3 into 3, that is 9, minus 2x whole square. That means square will come for 2 as well as for x. 2 square is 4, x square. So, 9 minus 4x square is the product of 3 minus 2x and 3 plus 2x. Right? Let's see the second question. Evaluate the following products without multiplying directly. In this we have without multiplying. By multiplying we can find any two numbers product. Here without multiplying we have to find the product of these two numbers. How we can find? We can write 103 is, we can write it as 100 plus 3. Yes or not? Into, here 107 can be written as, 107 can be written as 100 plus 7. This is in which form? Which identity form? X plus a into x plus b equal to x square plus a plus b into x plus ab. So, what is there in the place of x? X is equal to 100. In the place of x, 100 is there. In the place of a, 3. Here also 100. And in the place of b, 7. So, x is equal to 100. A equal to 3. B equal to 7. Clear? Now, 100 plus 3 into 100 plus 7 is equal to 100 whole square plus 3 plus 7 into 100 plus 3 into 7. Clear? So, 100 square is 10,000. plus 3 plus 7 is 10. 10 into 100, 1000. Plus 3 into 7, 21. Here. Now 11,021 is our answer. Is this clear? Right. This is the product of 103 into 107. Clear? So let's see the second problem. 95 into 96. Without multiplying, we have to find the product. So let us write 95 as 100 minus 5 into 100 minus 4. Yes? 100 minus 5 is 95. 100 minus 4 is 96. Now let us use the identity. The given problem is in the form of x plus a into x plus b. So this we can write it as x square plus a plus b into x plus ab. Right? This is the identity we are using for solving this problem. Clear? Now, what is there in the place of x? 100. So x is equal to 100. What is there in the place of a? Minus 5 is there. Actually, in the identity we have plus. Whenever we will have minus in the problem, we have to take minus 5, b equal to minus 4. So let us substitute. 100 minus 5 into 100 minus 4 is equal to 100 whole square plus minus 5 minus 4 into 100 plus minus 5 into minus 4. Clear? Now 100 square value is 10,000. Minus 5 minus 4 value is minus 9. Minus 9 into 100, minus 900. Minus 900 plus 20. Minus into minus plus 4 into 5, 20. Clear? Now 10,000 minus 900, 9,100. 9,100 plus 20, 9,120 is our answer. Is this clear? This is the product of 95 and 96. 95 into 96 is equal to 9,120. Yes? Clear? Right. Let us see the third bit. 104 into 96 product we have to find. So, we can write 104 as 100 plus 4. More, right? 4 is more than 100 into 100 minus 4. 96 we can write it as 100 minus 4. The given problem is in the form of x plus y into x minus y. We have the identity x square minus y square. The given question is in this form. So we have to write in this form. Right? Now 100 plus 4 into 100 plus 100 minus 4 equal to, what is there in the place of x? 100 whole square minus, what is there in the place of y? 4. So 4 square. 100 square value is 10,000 minus 16. 4 square is 4 into 4, 16. Now what we will get? 9,984 will get. Yes. Therefore 104 into 96 is 9,984. Clear? Right. Let's see the third problem. Factorize the following using appropriate identities. Here we have the first question, 9x square plus 6x plus 6xy plus y square. We have to factorize by using appropriate identities. This 9x square can be written as 3x whole square, right? 3x whole square. Here y square can be written as y whole square. So 6xy can be written as 2 into 3x into y. Yes or not? So now the given problem is in the form of a square plus 2ab plus b square. So a square plus 2ab plus b square. That we can write it as a plus b whole square. Yes or not? Yes. To solve all these problems, we should be perfect with all the identities and we have to apply according to the problem. Clear? So 3x whole square plus 2 into 3x into y plus y square is equal to 3x. In the place of a we have 3x. So 3x plus in the place of b we have y. So y whole square. So he asked to factorize, right? So 3x plus y into whole square can be written as 3x plus y into 3x plus y. Clear? Therefore 9x square plus 6xy plus y square is equal to 3x plus y into 3x plus y. We have factorized. This given polynomial is a product of 3x plus y into 3x plus y. Clear? Here we have the second problem, 4y square minus 4y plus 1. So 4y square can be written as 2y whole square. 2 square is 4, y square is y square. Minus 2 into 2y, a is 2y, right? 2y into 1. So y square. The given problem is in the form of a square minus 2ab plus b square. We can write it as a minus b whole square. Clear? Now, what is there in the place of a? 2y. What is there in the place of b? 1. So, this 2y whole square minus 2 into 2y into 1 plus 1 square is equal to 2y minus 1 whole square. That means 2y minus 1 into 2y minus 1. 4y square minus 4y plus 1 equal to 2y minus 1 into 2y minus 1. Is this clear? Right. Let's see the third bit. X square minus y square by 100. We have to factorize by using appropriate identity. So x square means x whole square minus y by 100 means y square by 100 we can write it as y by 10 whole square. Y square is y square, 10 square is 100. Yes, same thing we'll get, right? So the given problem is in the form of a square minus b square. We can write it as a plus b into a minus b. Clear? So what is there in the place of a? In the place of a we have x. In the place of b we have y by 10. So x square minus y by 10 whole square is equal to x plus y by 10 into x minus y by 10. Clear? Thank you for watching the video. Kindly subscribe, like and share. And don't forget to click the bell icon to get the regular updates of my classes.